Guys, little progress update for you guys. Oh, no room down here to make a video. Alrighty, I'll turn the camera around. Here's my mug. Ready? Here we go. I got the domestic coil for the EFM 350 plumbed in, and I'm probably doing everything backwards. Just don't have the pipe fittings yet for the. I didn't order the black fittings yet. I'm working on this. So yeah, I got 2 unions there. It's the first time I've soldered in decades. Well, soldered copper pipe. First time I've soldered copper pipe in decades, and I don't have any leaks. So, yeah, I got the freaking Rube Goldberg going up through here. But yeah, there's this. There's the cold water. This splits off here. I did this plumbing earlier, so this here is the water going into the coil, and then there's cold water going to the mixing valve here. And then here, then I transition to copper from CPVC. I got a valve here just because the transition. And yeah, my soldering joints aren't pretty, but hey, I don't have any leaks. I couldn't believe it. Everything's dry. Wow. I use this tinning flux. I think that's why these looks a little grainy. I think it was a tinning flux. I think wherever I got that flux, because the flux has some freaking solder in it. I figured that'd help me being an amateur. So yeah, I got copper coming out into the hot end of the mixing valve. I got the hot end of the mixing valve. I hope I did this right. The hot end of the mixing valve. I got the copper. I got a shark bite thing here. We'll see how this holds up. I got it on eBay for $29. The only thing I goofed up on here was I didn't leave enough pipe. If I ever had to pull that apart, I wouldn't be able to get the tool in there. I just unthreaded here. So yeah, that's where we're at. So I had a little low here. I had to go. This is the pipe for the sump pump. But yeah, a little lower than I wanted it to be, but this is what it is. I just pressurized it, and no leaks. My soldering joints aren't the prettiest, but hey, got it done. So I'm using this here, the silver solder. Nothing but the best, I guess. Somebody was asking if I need solder. I don't know. I don't know if I'll need a lot. I'm going to use PEX. Only I don't know if I have to solder anything else, because I was going to put baseboards in, but now I found cast iron radiators. That kind of defeats this. Yeah, that kind of defeats this heat exchanger I put in the furnace here. Well, I'm going to take me some time to get the radiators conditioned, I guess. But, oh well, this heat exchanger was 139 bucks. And I managed to get it in there. There's the evaporator. Still charged with R22. I didn't drain it yet. Undecided on this. But that was a real restriction in there. Like, they had all this tin work. I took it away. They had all this tin work bent up so the air would go through the center of that evaporator. And oh heck, the opening inside the furnace was only like 8 inches by 10 inches. So yeah, that's where we're at. And the water heater's over here. I think I showed that already. And yeah, so I got this in here, and maybe I don't need it. I got a bunch of parts came in. My PEX came in, 1-inch PEX. The box is like 4 foot tall. Yeah, there you go. Doesn't no leaks. That's what I'm up to today. So yeah, I got the boilers all leveled out. Domestic coils hooked up now. I got the door on. I got the auger in there and hooked up. I got to silicone the around the base there, and I got to silicone the ends of the auger, the coupler there. I got the barrel full of coal. There's the water softener if anybody didn't see that yet. I got the 2x. I got some plywood on the wall here. I'm going to put another piece over here. Figured I'd mount some things. I have no idea what I'm doing. So there. Oh, I forgot to paint that. So yeah, that's where the action will happen. You can see that's all. I got it all gooped in there with high temperature silicone. Like I said, I gotta silicone this yet. But yeah, I got the boiler as level as I could get it, and slow and steady here. I still got a lot of oil yet. It's going to get really cold tonight, so I guess this thing's going to get a workout. But this thing is I really wish I had more. Wish I would have worked on this earlier in the year and found those radiators. But yeah, hopefully, pray that I get these radiators. I told the guy that I really needed them, and they weren't going to get scrapped, but they're pretty damn near little bit over scrap price is what I figured. You know, not $10 a rib. So I hope. Pray the F-250 makes it to Lebanon. It's about an hour away from here. And yeah, there's the hole. There's the port there if I wanted to put an oil gun in here. I'm not decided yet. And one thing I didn't figure out is if I could get the plate off the other side together. That is a question, because I don't know if the plate probably wouldn't come out that hole, or maybe it will. It's got the freaking studs on the end though. It's got these 3 studs welded to the other end of it, so I don't know. We'll see. Some people said that wasn't a great idea, having a dual fuel boiler, just because of keeping the oil gun clean, and put a regular oil boiler. I could put an oil boiler right there. You know, I only got 1 chimney though, you know. So anyway, how long is this video getting? 6 minutes? Oh heck. But yeah, that's what I'm up to. I got cars coming this weekend. Don't know how we'll do with that. Do what I can, one day at a time. That's all you can do, right? So yeah, I'm just I'm a little happy and a little giddy that my copper don't leak. 10 foot of copper is $25. I guess I used the heavier stuff. I don't know if I was supposed to use the heavier stuff or not, but I figured, well, might as well. I want things to last. But yeah, there you go. No leakage. The only thing, maybe I should have put some drains on there, but I didn't think of that. Oh well, it is what it is. So, alrighty guys, there's the Reading stove. I haven't even fired that up yet. The power vent motor has to come completely apart and get all freaking defrazzled, so I'm not into that right now. This thing's a bitch to light. That's why I wanted to go with EFM. You know, every time the power goes out with this thing, I lose the fire before I can get the generator going, and that just irritates me. And yeah, I'm just done with hot air. You know, let's make some freaking hot water. So I'll update everybody when I get the radiators. Hopefully I can get some help to get them off the truck. I got to organize the shed and put them in the shed for the time being, and then I guess take them in the garage one at a time and get them ready. They're not real bad. There were some really nice ones I was looking at, and let's put you over here to that view, the boiler. There were some really nice ones really nice radiators I was looking at that were local, and but the guy wanted $150 a piece for them, and I was going to buy them, but when I went to respond to him, he sold them all, so that was the end of that. But yeah, this ad popped up last night, and I responded right away, and I'm like, please don't sell them to somebody else. I really need these. And so we'll see. House, I looked up, the guy gave me his address to go pick him up tonight, and I looked up the house, and Zillow told me the house was built in 1938, so they should be some pretty good ones. So I'll keep everybody updated on that. So anyway, talk to you later, guys, and take care, and thanks for watching, and God bless you all. Take care. Bye.